Past tense verbs, page 2. I'm sure gotcha. For all of these verbs, when asking the question, you put in front of the verb, and if the answer is no, you put in near. Volig, volig, near volig. Vrustig, vrustig, near vrustig. Kriegnig, kriegnig, near kriegnig. Chordig, chordig, near chordig. Ettel, dettel, near ettel. Ragger, dragger, near ragger. Notice with ettel it starts with a vowel, so we put a D in front of it. But when asking the question and saying no, we have no D. For this one, it starts with an F, so we put a D and a H in the answer, but when asking the question there's no D, or when saying no there's no D. Vuig, vuig, near vuig. Kianig, kianig, near kianig. Ahrig, dahrig, near ahrig. Eirig, dairig, near eirig. Uskel, duskel, near uskel. Gortig, gortig, near gortig. This starts with a vowel, so it takes a D, but no D when asking the question or saying no. Eirig starts with a vowel, takes a D to make it past tense. Duskel starts with a vowel, takes a D to make it past tense. Gremming, warring, spawn, harring, hrimmig. Immer, dimmer, near immer. When we use the verb has spawn, we always have this two-letter D with it. Immer starts with a vowel, so it takes a D to make it past tense. But you don't put in the D when asking the question or saying no. Aval, hlaunig, himon, hussig. Usad, dusad, near usad. Ol, dol, near ol. Starts with a vowel, so it takes a D. Ol starts with a vowel, takes a D. The next verbs are the most common used irregular verbs in the Briar Navrilta. These are tricky. You need to give these plenty of time. An rev, vi, ni rev. An vaka, kunnig, ni akka. An yarna, rinna, ni yarna. An yakig, kuig, ni yakig. An noort, doort, ni doort. Notice with these 5 verbs, and these 2 in particular, that you put on when asking the question and ni when answering no. On when asking the question, ni when answering no. Notice that it's on rev and the answer is ni. On vaka, so the answer will be ni when it's no. On yarna, so the answer is ni when it's no. There are actually 6 irregular verbs like that. On voer, voer, ni voer. If it starts with on and the answer is no, it's ni. For the rest of the irregular verbs, when you're asking the question, you use when the answer is no, it's near. Di, near I. Rug to rug me near rug me You use this 2-letter word when using the word rug. Kula, kula, near kula. Hánig, hánig, near hánig. Hug to bruntanista, hug me bruntanista, near hug me bruntanista. We use this 2-letter word do when giving something to somebody, when using the verb hug. For any of these verbs, you should be able to say dit me, dit tu, dit she, dit she, dit hamar, dit shiv, dit sheed. You need to know that order of verbs. These are also worth knowing. They're handy little phrases to have. Rinne me jarmad dog me slán le. Hug me ma walalum. I brought my bag with me. Gyar me, leag me, chop me, quer me kesht Mr. Maloney. Quer me ma chota orm, vul an clog. Is mahlum, bawahlum, is federlum, ta ukras orm, ta ulagum, I have an apple, kahig me, ta laur I need a book, sha arigud, ditch, this is money for you. Kevad, ka will, an will to teen, are you sick? Nach will to teen, are you not sick? Is laur it's a book. Tresh tamil in ye, in yov, amarok. Remember, for all these verbs, you must get out of your seats, do the action, and then say the verb out loud.